Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today I will just be doing some freestyling, and my name is Star, and I will be doing this light green teal color, and it's by 1184, and the polish is a gel polish. Excuse me. So I will just be, like I said, I will be starting off freestyling. I don't have any particular thing in mind, so let's get started. So I will be using these gel tips, these full gel tips. They are short to medium length, and I think I will start like that. I didn't give myself a base color, um, but it's okay. I'm gonna work with this color. For this nail, I think I will go halfway. Like, share, and comment, and let me don't forget subscribing. It would be awesome. I think you all who already have subscribed to my channel. And my third nail, I think I will go the opposite way. So I do have my first two nails cured, and I think I'm going to use some powder. I actually have some eyeshadow, and I am going to use that to give me some of my color blend. And I think I'm going to start with this first nail. I think I'm going to use some of this gold. Put that right here in the middle. And then I think I will go ahead with some pink. And go back and nail some more yellow. And then I think I might do a little hint of purple on the ends. And for this baby, I think I will rock a little blue right here on the tip. And then I'm going to go up here and give me some green. I think I'm going to add just a tad bit of pink in here. And then I'm going to go back in and give me some gold. I'm going to use my stripe brush, my line brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and do an outline. Okay guys, here I'm just trying to make some little half moons, half circles, more like fish fish skills. I mean, what fish skills, mermaid. I don't know, half rocks. I don't know. So you see here, I already had a couple of my other designs already done. So right now, what I'm doing is using my cat eye gel, and I am doing, I think, four colors for the cat eye gel, and I am just placing in into those little half moons, and then every half moon that I do, and use my magnet, I put it in the lamp for about 30 seconds, and I let it cure, and then I move on to the next little half moon with a separate color. I would like to take the time to thank everyone who took a moment to watch my video. If you made it this far, you made it halfway through. So I really do appreciate you taking the time to show some love. You know, you can say, hey girl, hey, how you doing? And I will, speak back. So I'm just going to repeat the process with each 3 of these nails, and it's going to take a moment because in between each color, I am curing for about 30 seconds. So continue to watch me work. I hope you are enjoying my content so far. I am a new content creator. I have been doing my own nails for over 30 years, and it has been brought to my attention many times that I should, create my content and put it on the platforms. So here I go, and I thank you all who have showed me love and support, who had subscribed to my channel. It doesn't cost anything to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to make sure that you're able to get notifications for any time I upload a new video. Again, everything as far as designs usually just come up just from the top of my head. I never really have anything pre-planned. So these are just freestyles. Sometimes they come out the way I envision it, and sometimes they don't. But again, every day in everyone's life, many situations is a learning process. So that's what I'm doing. I am continuing my little journey on doing my nails and creating this content. So I hope you enjoy. So once I get all 3 of my designs done, they already have a matte finish. The matte finish looks really nice, and you don't have to put any gloss top coat, but it's up to you. But the gloss also looks really nice, so it'll just be your preference. So here is the finished product. I hope you like what I have created, and I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and I thank you so much if you have made it to the end of this video. Your support means so much to me, and with the algorithm and you watching the video to the end helps my channel continue to grow.